Gonna drive through the fucking ocean. Oh, yes, sir. You know when you get one vehicle capable of driving off-road and it's lifted, well, it's higher than the clearance is higher than normal, so drive through the puddles, but you know, make sure it's not make sure it's not too crazy. This is gonna be a super random video. I have so much camera shit, action cameras and DJI stuff that I don't use because I'm so busy being a dad and just busy with life in general. I just figure, like, fuck, when I was up, might as well just film some dumb shit and make use of it, you know, even though it's stupid and nobody's gonna watch it, but you know, whatever, it's cool. But anyways, yeah, so it's what is today? It's Saturday, and it's been raining like crazy for the past, I think, going on 3 days now. Some flooding some areas, but what's up, guys? So I got me a pizza, or I got two pizzas. I got cheese and pepperoni. So I got pepperoni, even though it says cheese in the box. Cheese, even though it says pepperoni in the box. I'm gonna feel really shitty after this. Mentally though, I'll be happy as fuck. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a workout in, just gym, kind of messy. But that's for another video. Let's get this workout in. It's gonna be a bunch of kettlebell stuff, and then let's eat. Okay, so today's workout. For 8 minutes, I gotta warm up. So 3 rounds, 5 burpees, 10 air squats, 10 remaining deadlifts, and then for the remaining time, we stretch. And then we got part 1. Every minute on a minute for 16 minutes. Minute 1, 6 to 10 burpees. We'll start with 10, and then we'll decrease as we go. And then minute 2, also 6 to 10 windmills, left side. Windmills also take me a long time to do for whatever reason. Minute 3, 6 to 10 burpees again. And then minute 4, 6 to 10 windmills. Right hand side. Then we got part 2, 4 rounds per time, 60-minute cap limit. 4 rounds per time with a cap of 16 minutes. That's what I meant to say. So we're starting with the left side first. 8 dead clean squats, 8 swings, kettlebell swings. This is with a single kettlebell, and then 16 remaining deadlifts. I'm going to use a heavier kettlebell for the deadlifts. And then we start with and then we go to the right side. We do 8 dead clean squats, 8 swings, kettlebell swings, and then 16 remaining deadlifts. So it should take roughly 16, 32, 40 minutes. And then I get to eat my pizza. You.
Yes, I would love to. There was a UTV race that was supposed to happen in Colombia a few years back, and I was very intrigued because I found one in the middle of nowhere. But they canceled it last minute. But yes, I would love to run in South America. I ran in Colombia. I was there for a little stint in 2023. And that was really cool. Lots of fun videos.
John and I were talking about that Colombia camp.
Oh, that is sick. Okay, next question. What motivates you to run on hard days? Honestly, I think for me, I think it's just thinking of my goal, to be honest, for that specific block. So, like in the boat to Black Canyon, there were definitely times where I was just like,
guys, it's actually
Just start.
take two. And if you don't get to the point of what you're trying to say, your audience is going to lose interest. Now,
hours into planning out how it grows. As an engineer, I definitely have data.
Very on being on these adventures, and they have always wanted to see that race because the fanfare and the crowds at UTV are unlike anything else.
Hi guys, so the workout is done. The warm-up was hard, and then the part 1 was also hard. The burpees was killers, and then part 2 came. I thought it would be easier than the first workout, but this was definitely harder. The Romanian deadlifts was, I think the volume was a little bit too high. My back started to tighten up, and started to hurt a lot. Hurt to the point where I had to close my eyes to go in auto mode, and I only got 2 rounds done in that 16-minute time cap. So a little bit disappointed, but I did give like 95% of my all. Any more and my back would just killing me. It's still kind of killing me. I should probably stretch out, but I got some pizza. No. So good. Pizza's good. I mean, it's hard to mess up pizza, but this is so good. Like I said, I gotta clean up the gym. I mean, you can see in the video, it's pretty messy. That guy right there, the dumbbell rack, there's Squeaky over there. The dumbbell rack, even though I put the bottom bars, can you see? Yeah, you can see it. Bottom bars, the kettlebells don't fit on top, so I have to cut this guy and put it on the bottom to fit the kettlebells. But that will be in another video, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my pizza. Apologies for talking with my mouth full. We're gonna eat the pizza, do my chores, study a little bit, and then get ready for work tomorrow. Yeah.